In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make wavy text in Godot. Let's create a new scene, call it text, give it a background, full rect, blue. Get a center container, and let's get a label in there in the center. Give it some text, wavy text. I'm going to give it a font real quick. Font data 32, drop shadow. Okay, so now we need to create the shader material. Click on it, new shader, click on it, shader type, canvas item. And we're going to go with a vertex shader. Save this real quick. Okay, so here's how the waving is going to work. We're going to start by increasing the VERTEX.y by some amount, and that's going to move the text up and down. So let's get that with the sine function. So we'll do sine of time, and you can see it's kind of moving. Let's multiply it by some height value to get it moving up a bit higher, and then we'll multiply it by a speed value so that it moves faster. Okay, now to get it to actually wave, we're going to want to multiply it, or we're going to want to add in a value of the UV.x, which is going to be 0 at the left end and 1 at the right end, and that's going to give it a wave as you go from left to right. So I'm going to put this in parentheses, and I'm going to add to it UV.x. So you can see it's starting to wave a little bit, and we're going to add a frequency value here and multiply it by that UV.x. Okay, so it's starting to wave. At this point, you basically want to just play with these values until it looks good to you. Increase this a little bit more. Yeah, and I mean, that's pretty much it. Wavy text.